The coral reef snake, also known as the sea crate, is a fascinating marine reptile found in tropical coral reefs of the Indo-Pacific. Unlike many snakes, they are highly venomous yet non-aggressive, rarely posing a threat to humans. Their paddle-shaped tails make them excellent swimmers, while they return to land to rest and lay eggs. Coral reef snakes feed on eels and small fish, using potent venom to immobilize prey. Their distinctive black and white